Hey, how you doing? How your mama and them? Fixing to go find out how my mama and them doing. Happy Thanksgiving. Run that intro. We'll talk about stuff. I don't know what, but we'll talk about something. Alright folks, we on the road. Just looking at them clouds. Ain't supposed to rain no more today. Ain't supposed to rain any today. Rained last night or early this morning. And all like that goodness. And whatnots and have-nots and all-nots and all-nots. And so, but it's kind of just partly cloudy. 4% chance of rain. I always say 4% is 100% when it's raining on you. So it's 11:05 Eastern Standard Time. It's 56.3 degrees. Elevation is 1,173 feet above sea level. So hope y'all had a happy Thanksgiving. I'm riding on Thanksgiving. How many people can say they ride on Thanksgiving? I have a couple of times. Sometimes it be raining. You know, it's that time of the year. Yeah. I was just thinking, you know, wife's got to work. That's why it's just me. She mostly have to work all the holidays and all because she's in the health industry. The people in the health industry, they don't spend much, you know, holidays at home with their family. He's on over to Momanthem. Yeah, buddy. We'll see you in a few or whenever I think of something else to gripe about. Look like somebody made them a motorcycle course. All right. We just got off the big road. Somebody's gonna pull out in front of you just to go down here to the gas station probably. No. Hey, Motel 8, they leave the light on for you. It used to be it was something, I forget. There used to be a restaurant there. What was it? Can't remember the name of it. Oh well, wasn't important. Yep, just remembering all the good times. 35 years in this area, in the area 205. Actually more than that, probably about 37, something wrong there. Uh-oh, somebody broke down up there. That's I-20, we were just on it. Now we under it. Yep. Cleveland Crump grocery store right there, but now it's Playhouse or something. Waterworks. Crossroads. Coal City, Alabama. We here, Momanthems. Hey y'all. Mom and them doing pretty good. Just had Thanksgiving dinner. Headed back to the house. The injustice. Look back. Oh yo. Gone. We love our country. Back through Raglan. Take the back roads home. Fire station. Woo. Church we went to, Harkness Chapel Methodist Church. Yep. Enjoyed a little, well, wasn't much to it. We're gonna show you the dam when we get over here. We'll see you when we get there to the dam. About 15 miles away, I guess. Alright, we're here at the dam. Henry Neely Dam. Fort Sumter right there. There was Andrew Jackson's came through here and rounded up some Indians. There was before the dam was here. This was a crossing. Yep, where Fort Sumter was. Woohoo! There's the Henry Neely Lake and Coosa River. They got the gate open, you can go down there. There's some people down there already fishing, Huh. They got the floodgates open. Yep, there's people on the other side fishing too. Temporary closed. Nope, they opened. Yeah, making power. Then the floodgates open, just making the turbines. Good old Henry Neely. Dangerous drowning area. I don't see nobody down there. I don't see nobody in that truck. They might have got drunk and left the truck here last night. I don't know what you can hear. I can hear the turbines spinning. Alright. One last look at the dam. We had to come by and look at the dam water. Yeah. Alright, let's get to the house. That's where we was at. Here we are now. me. It is getting cooler. I think it's about this weekend supposed to be down below freezing. Yeah, we're right across the dam on Highway 144. Raglan Highway, almost in Ohatchee. Alright. That's the dam, Henry Neely Dam. So I hope y'all didn't eat too much. I didn't eat too much. I just eat one big plate. So go check out that video there. That one there. Hit the subscribe button over here and give me a big thumbs up. We'll see you on down the road. Yeah. Merry Christmas is the next one.